Hey everybody, Cam the AC man here with Ductworks Heating and Cooling. May see something a little different. Shed my winter coat. Gotta do it at least once a year. Keep everybody on their toes. Anyway, the reason I'm doing this message, we had a system we had to replace was they had a failed compressor. Yep, the unit had a little bit of age on it, but there's a reason that the compressor failed. This is the coil that come out of the air handler. Look at this thing. Looks like a piece of carpet. You can't even see the fins anymore. But this is what it would look like if it weren't nasty. See? This is why it's so important to keep your heating and cooling system serviced. Because if it wasn't for this being clogged up like it was, the system probably would still be running today. It was a good trained system. But they can only run so much, put them clogged up like that. But if you want to have your air conditioning system serviced, give us a call. 843-427-7411 is our office, or you visit us at ductworksheatingandcooling.com.